Hi everyone, this is Denise Botor, and for today's video, I did a Parisian-inspired makeup look. Enjoy! So I've noticed Parisian looks or parang mga dewy skin and all. So to start off my makeup, I'll be using Pond's yung Instabright Glowup cream nila in Golden Sunshine. This one is a very good primer and a moisturizer as well. Meron din siyang effect na glowy skin kasi medyo may konting glitter siya. If you haven't seen my review on this, I'll add a card here para makita nyo kung anong itsura niya sa skin. And I'll be using my fingers lang to blend mostly everything in my face to keep it very natural and simple. Yan. After I apply that, since we want that very natural and yung hindi cakey na look, I won't be using foundation. Instead, I'll be using this Pond's BB+CC cream in the shade Beige. And again, I'll be using my fingers to apply it. Make sure your hands are clean before you start doing this. I've already washed my hands and nag-alcohol na rin ako. So this is what the Pond's BB+CC cream looks like. It's very natural, dewy, and may coverage siya pero hindi sobra-sobra. For my eyebrows naman, I'll be using the Kpalette. I forgot ko anong tawag doon, pero yung thin bristles. It looks something like this. For the natural effect, ganyan yung gagawin ko sa my front part ng aking kilay. Sorry guys if medyo natatakpan, hindi ko kasi masyado makita. Very light lang siya. Just to accentuate yung hairs natin sa kilay. And then I'll be doing the next eyebrow. And then i-brush lang natin siya ng spoolie. And since we're doing a red lip, I want na medyo maging darker yung brows ko. So, I'll be using Beverly na Pro Eyeliner Waterproof. Yun yung ginagamit ko sa kilay ko in the shade Ebony. Again, I'll be using a mirror kasi nga hindi ko talaga masyado makita. Outdated na ang grado ng contact lens ko. Lalagay ko lang siya sa may dulo na part and then from there, ikakalat ko siya. So, itong eyeliner na to, parang madali siyang ismudge. So, this is what I use sa kilay kasi hindi nga ako makahanap ng color black na pangkilay. So, yan yung itsura niya and then pwedeng i-brush na lang din natin. Pero guys, kung meron kayong kilay, kung hindi ko kayo katulad, you don't have to do this. The Kpalette would be enough. And then, kung ano man yung tira sa brush nyo, you could use it sa front side ng brows nyo to para lang maganda yung pagkaka-blend niya. Oh my gosh. Okay ba tong tutorial to? Di ko alam. Nahihirapan ako kasi wala ako masyado makita. Yan. Pantay lang natin. And then after that, I'll be using a clear brow gel by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Gusto ko sana matry voice over, pero feeling ko hindi ko siya kaya. Oh my gosh. For the Parisian look, you don't have to clean it. Parang feeling ko kasi yung look nila is something that you can do in 5 minutes. So, no need to perfect that eyebrows. Parang bushy, very natural skin. Ganyan yung gusto nila. And then for my under eye, I'll be using konting concealer to cover some dark circles I can see. Again, I'll be using my favorite concealer na L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear. Kung wala kayong masyadong dark circles, you can skip this part. And then I'll be blending it with this brush. Buffing brush ba to? Crease brush ng Real Techniques. If you guys don't want to use yung beauty blender, I do think that this is the best brush to use pag naglalagay ng concealer. And take note na very budget-friendly si Real Techniques. Tapos, very quality brushes na siya. After that, I'll be using a Hoola bronzer to put on sa eyelid. Medyo brownish na yung eyelid ko, pero parang mas cute. Wow, cute. Naka-depot na kasi siya, so hindi ko mapakita sa inyo yung packaging. Very konti lang. Blend, blend, blend. And then, I'll be applying my mascara. I'm using naman yung Voluminous Lash Paradise ng Loreal. After I do that, I'll grab a dark eyeshadow. And I'm using Cyprus Umber ng Modern Renaissance. You can also use any kind of dark eyeshadow sa kahit anong palette, but this is what I have right now. So I'll be putting that sa pinakadulo lang ng eyes ko. Tada! Iba-blend ko lang ng konti yung under eye ko using a beauty blender. Para walang crease and very natural. And then after nyan, we are going to apply our blush. So for my blush, I'll be using this Color Snap by Colourette Cosmetics na Beige. Kasi very glossy yung effect niya and very natural lang. So, for the last part, actually, ito yung pinaka-main sa makeup look natin. Main piece sa makeup look natin. That's why very simple lang yung sa base. I'll be using a red lipstick. And ito yung Starwoman ng Nars. Again, sorry, gagamit tayo ng mas maliit na mirror to see what I'm doing. This one is actually my favorite red lipstick. Sa mga posts ko sa Instagram, if you are not following me, please follow me at Denise Botor. Ito yung usually kong ginagamit, no? Kaya sometimes sa mga makeup tutorials ko, ito talaga yung ginagamit ko. Although hindi ko siya na-mention before, pero sobrang love ko tong lipstick na to. So guys, since medyo nakukulangan pa ako, maglalagay ako ng black liquid eyeliner sa aking mata. Lalagay ko lang siya sa my outer part para magmukhang elongated ang aking eyes. So guys, nagtry akong mag-film habang naglalagay ng bronzer kasi nakalimutan ko siya ilagay. And then I realized na hindi pala siya naka-record. So, ayun. Naglagay ako ng bronzer, konting bronzer lang dito sa my forehead and then sa cheeks na part. I also used Hula bronzer. So, there are a lot of parts dito sa tutorial na to that you can skip. Like, for instance, yung concealer, yung bronzer, eyeliner, yan yung mga parts na pwede nyo i-skip. But for me, I needed that. And this is my own version. This is my own version ng Parisian-Inspired makeup look. So, ito yung finished product. I hope you guys like this simple makeup tutorial video. And I'll see you next time. Bye!